I'm like, when you put that on 7-2, they like Sosa, and I got your album too. If I was you, bitch, I'll buy it too. I had to come in like that. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Boom. Let's get straight into it. I'm feeling it today. Got some great I got some great stocks. I got some great tickers. Straight like that. Boom. Notable names off the bat. Who do I see? GameStop. Oracle. Shout out Oracle. Oracle tech brand. I don't even know why I'm shouting them out, but shout out Oracle. Chewy, Kroger, Adobe. Who else? What they got? Oracle, Adobe, GameStop, Chewy, AVA, AVAV. That's some type of aviation, something like that. We finna look them up. Boom, straight like that. Let's get into the news. This week is another great week for news. What was last week? NFP. We're gonna talk about that. PPI. We have PPI this week. Producer Price Index. We finna see what the companies are charging. You feel me? We finna see what the manufacturers are charging for their goods and services. Straight like that. Core PPI. We finna see how much are we paying. You know what I'm saying? We finna get into it. We are definitely finna get into it. So Wednesday and Thursday. So so Friday should be some type of magic trick day. That's what I'm getting from this as of right now, cause of what happened last week and then the news that came out Friday. So yeah, we'll definitely be on the lookout for this news. What else do I have? I'm on my other screen right now. I'm pulling up Market Watch. What do we have? We're going into the 8th. So no news. Boom. Tuesday, no news. So Wednesday, Thursday, no news. Friday. So boom, we Gucci. Boom. I come in, look at the charts. I see a lot. Right now, I'm gonna tell y'all, boom, straight off the bat. I was using EMAs. These are now SMAs. I'm just switching it up a bit. I want to see how SMAs react to price. They are told they're SMAs. They move slower. They move slower than price. I got it written down as well. Simple mover average moves slower. Good for long term. Well, I'm gonna get into that. EMA good for short term, like what I be doing, you know. So day trading, whatever, swing trading, leaps, whatever. Cause I'm an investor. I'm not just a trader. I'm a stock market investor. Straight like that. That being said, I will be swinging. I will be trying to swing even more, even better. Trying to get that under my belt, straight like that. Cause yeah, we're gonna get to that in a later video, but I'm gonna tell y'all why. It's definitely for a bigger purpose, a greater purpose. Is you feel me? Day trading is good. It's great. I love to day trade long term, like down the line some years, but always good that long money is better than short term money. That's what Gerald told me. So yeah, and that's a guy who's he has accumulated money for himself and his family. So let me just say that. Boom. With that being said, I know I'm rambling right now. I'm yapping right now. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. Boom. Boom. Let me just start off by saying highs for this week. 642. That was the highs for last week. I'm gonna say last week because I don't have the other levels. But yeah. And then the lows 634. We gapped down. Boom. We gapped down. I think you can see it on the daily. Yep, we gapped down. Boom. Went under the 21 for a little breather. And then bounced right off 634.70 in that area. You feel me? Bounced right off that level I have. So with that being said, SPY does look like it's presenting something like this. It does off the hourly. Like a bear flag. It does look like it's presented something like that, but no news for these 2 days. So we shall see. So yeah, we shall see. But with that being said, as of right now? Let me see on the 4 hour. No, it's not under. Not under. But on the hourly, it is under the 21. It is under 21. Just yeah. But the level I have, I got a lot of energy right now. I don't know why. 634, 642 hold. That's what I see in the market. Straight like that. That's what I see in the market. 634, six right here, boom. These two levels. Boom, this zone. We see a lot of reaction off these levels. Off this zone. See, let me go to hourly. Boom. Boom. You see this it's hugging this level right here. We can, we dropped below it a little bit, reclaimed it, and then tested it again, went up, boom. It's just a level, and the level above it as well. Ali 634, 643. My bad, 643 is the level. So basically, in this market coming up. Also, if you go to the 4 hour, I know I'm getting ahead of myself. This is near the 21. So if it can hold off the 21 off the 4 hour, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. We can see more bullish movement. Or if not, if it fails below, you know what I'm saying? If it fails below, let me draw it. Let me draw it out. Boom, we do something like this. Boom, 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 boom. It drop below. We're gonna know it's bear. We're gonna know it's bearish. Just a little bit. But that's the levels I have for SPY. Let's go on to the Qs. I hope that makes sense. These two levels are just levels that I have on my chart, and that has been showing some great reaction off of them. You know what I'm saying? They've been showing some great reaction off these two levels. Straight like that. Boom. Q. Same. Something similar on Qs as well. It's under the 21. Said 473. 473. Really? Wait. Yes, 473. Boom, this level right here. You see this was once resistance for well it was, but during this time frame since Friday the 22nd. Friday the 22nd of August. Friday 22nd, August 25. Boom. This was resistance. It went up, it came down with this candle. Boom, then it shot up, went above it. Boom, then it came right back down. So it is presenting resistance. And I'm looking at this chart right now. Looking at it, it's looking like, gotta ask Cam, get a second opinion. No. but I always say head and shoulders, but this definitely looked like some type of head and shoulders for sure. That's off the 4 hour. You feel me? The head, one shoulder, two shoulder. I know I'm not tripping on that. And this is since August 27th. So you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get back to that. But boom. Also the 21 EMA 571. 571 is near this level. But I would love to see 570 hold. Oh my god, 573 hold would be nice. Straight like that. I'm not redoing this video. I messed up. I am human. Boom. Yeah, that's what I see. Let me see if I can add anything. No, I cannot. Boom. We're going on to Amazon came down. I seen this off the 4 hour. I did indeed see this off the 4 hour. I did see 230. I did say 230 bounce and then go higher. But definitely in this range, in this zone, and I'm definitely thinking of it for a swing trade. I love to catch that, something like this, so y'all can see, like, I may add this to my what's the name, boom, boom, may do something like this, boom, boom, you know what I'm saying, something like that. You might catch a flag in between that and boom. But yeah, something on the lines of that, sure. So definitely looking at Amazon. I seen this off a higher time frame as well. I was on the 4 hour. I don't wish to to the weekly. I meant to go to the daily. But yeah, yeah. I'm glad I seen off the weekly though. It's some resistance at 235. So if we can get a candle closed above 235, that would be nice on Amazon. But yeah, what I see, that's what I see. Maybe it can bounce off. Like I said, in its zone in 230, 231. We'll see when market open, what market want to do. Yeah, let's go on to the next stock, next ticker. Co, Co, whatever. Wait, Coop. See, no, that Coop is with a P. Co. You know, copper. The copper companies. What it? This is a healthcare. This is a healthcare. I did take a trade on these people. Shout out Aristotle. Shout out Aristotle. Boom. Surgical. I ain't gonna get too deep, but I was looking. I was looking for shorts, right? And then I went to a big time frame. I went to the weekly. And I seen this can go long. You know what I'm saying? This can go long. One tap, two tap, three tap, boom. I said, wow. I said maybe. I said maybe. Let me switch my bias. Let me switch my bias. Let's see if we can reclaim some of these levels. So I'm gonna go on the 4 hour. Boom. I say let's see if we can reclaim some of these levels off the 4 hour. It is above the 21. I think it's not above. No, it's not. 71.20 on the 21 off the daily. So boom. I would love to see them. You know what? I'm gonna mark that off. Mark that off as of right now, cause I don't have a real level, but I'll be watching this throughout the week. I would love to see a build. What I say? Build up above 68. I want to see six. I want to see these. I want to see these people above 76. That could come 4, 5, 3, however long down the line. How many weeks down the line? But I would love to see a build. As of right now, I would love to see a build above 68. A build above 68. That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Oh, okay, nah, I think my mic good. Anyway, build above 68. Boom. Something like this. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Boom. It's down right now, so boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Something like that. Straight like that. Boom. Next, we have. Okay, whoa. Okay, no. Lastly, I thought I only had 4 stocks. I'm tweaking. But anyway, boom. Straight like this, the last stock. I see this going down. I ain't gonna say I don't know why, but I see this going down. We do have a flagpole. Boom. Maybe it's not the best flagpole. We must have gapped down. Okay, boom. I see this little flagpole. Boom. It went down. I needed to break up. Oh my god, let me slow down. So let me good. We Gucci, they hear you. Whatever. Boom. I want to see this below 219. I want to see this for the break of the flag, bear flag, straight like that. One stock. Let me just say this. Nike. Wow, I can't spell. Where's Nike? I gotta show this now. Gotta show this. Boom. Nike had a nice bear flag. This was a nice bear flag. I didn't catch it. I mean, I wasn't. It didn't stand out to me. I didn't know Nike was doing this, but boom, bear flag. Boom. Yes, it is a little shaky. Don't mind it. Boom. Bear flag. And it broke under this level. You could have got in whenever that thing went even. This went all the way back up, then dropped below. But we're doing snowflake. not software, controllers, the data. What is it called? Oh my god, I have a brain fart. Cloud data. Golly. Cloud. Oh, that's what it. Data cloud. I'm thinking of the big electrical engines. Oh my god, don't even mind me. But anyway, that's what I'm watching. I have a lot of energy right now. I need to go run and do something to get some of this energy off. But that's how I'm feeling this week. Straight like that. I ain't no more rap. Also, boom, you see this under the 21 off the 4 hour. Boom, 21 down here. So maybe we can get some action. We can get some action off. No, if not, cool. Find something else. But that's what I have. I switched it up a little bit. I didn't do my traditional ABCD top Mag 7 stock. So something new definitely. Matter of fact, since we're talking about Mag stocks, Nvidia going down. Nvidia has been going down since earnings. Yes, they didn't hit one on their data. I mean not data sector. I believe they went down. AVGO partnered with OpenAI, and they have been going up crazy. They've reached new all-time highs, 357.12. That's nice. That's nice. But I'll be back at this tomorrow. Straight like that. Glee.